Hi, Neil McLaughlin here for another episode of DIY Insurance Claims, your free resource for everything insurance claim related. Today I'm going to speak to you about the conditions, which is a subset of your insurance policy or contract. Conditions, briefly stated, are duties. These are duties owed by you to your insurance carrier. I'll give you a quick example of your duties. One of the duties that's standard in insurance policy is if you have a loss, you have a duty to protect your property from further damage. If a tree falls and causes an opening in your roof, you have a duty to do something such as call a roofer or emergency service person to place a tarp and barrier on your roof that would limit the amount of additional damage. If you find out that you do not take responsibility and fulfill your duties that you're responsible for, the insurance carrier can argue that you did not fulfill these conditions and duties, and therefore they are not liable for the additional damage that occurred because of your failure to perform. Thank you. This is Neil McLaughlin with another episode of DIY Insurance Claims. Have a great day.